Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Trends tab in YouTube Studio to find trending searches and content gaps. Click the Trends tab at the top of the Analytics page to view trending content opportunities. The Trends page loads, showing trending topic cards for your channel's niche. Click on a topic card, selecting Easy and Fast Fluffy Pancakes Recipe. The topic page opens, showing top searches related to this subject. Click the heart icon next to a search term to save it to your list for future content ideas. You can save multiple searches, clicking the heart on how to make easy pancakes at home. Click the heart on another search term and a save notification confirms it's been added to your collection. The heart icons let you bookmark searches you want to create content around. All your saved searches appear in a dedicated list you can access from the Trends page. If a topic card shows high search volume but low competition from other creators, that's a content gap worth targeting. You can unsave a search at any time by clicking the filled heart icon again to remove it from your list. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.